I didn't get better, guys, so I had to take some medicine prescribed from a nearby chemist, guys. I hate medicine. Oh God. Morning, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yvette. I'm a Kenyan based YouTuber. On today's video, today we are going to the stream. I want to show you where people get water in the village. We are going to the stream. I'm taking you guys to the stream. I hope you like it here. I hope you keep it here. Please like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe. Let's go. So here I was just going down the stairs and my baby said she want to be seen on camera, and I said okay, just a bit. Here we are already on the road. I hope you can see. Can you see those cows? I tried to zoom in. You can see the houses around, the green, and we are on the road already. I don't live so far from the road. I don't like living very far from the road. We are on the road already. That's me walking. Yeah, that's me now. You can see that roads. Those cars are coming from Nairobi. My baby was leading the way. We are almost at the stream, guys. This is the path that leads there. I hope you're enjoying. Can you see this motorbike, guys? Someone has already fetched his water and tied it on his motorbike. Let me show you the forest here. Not really a forest, but there's some trees around. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? We are there, guys. The way is so slippery, guys. I hope I don't fall down. It rained yesterday and it's so slippery. Even without the rain, this pathway is always slippery because of the water. I made it, guys. I didn't fall, but I have to skip here. Let's try. Woo! I did it. I skipped, guys. That's me skipping. Here I have to step in the muddy water because I have no choice. Let's go. I had to step inside. Can you see? Yeah. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. And ta-da! There's the stream. Very clean water. This is where the villagers here get water, and it's free, guys. Can you see how clean it is? Very clean. Very clean, right? It's for free. All the villagers around here, here's where they get water. Can you see the environment around here? Just trees and the green. Oh, by the way, can you see that guy? He has already tied his water on his back. He wants to get home. Look at this, guys. Beautiful, right? And this water doesn't like run out. It doesn't run out. Be it rain, be it sunshine, it's always there. I had to enjoy the water too. Had to clean my legs because I had stepped in mud. I had to feel the water. It's so cool. I had to show you this, guys. It looked so beautiful. I wish the grass was dry. We would have just seated here, chilled, maybe read a book. You can come for a picnic here. And my baby was just enjoying the field while I show you around, guys. Look, the village is beautiful. Very beautiful. I think I like it. Let me show you something yuckish, guys. Look, that's cow dung. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll leave you with this beautiful scenery, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.